FortiGate 60F 6.2.3 testing levels of redundancy. So this guy I know challenged me today. He said, if you only have one physical interface on each firewall in an HA pair, and you're using multi-vdom mode, that if one of the ports gets pulled out of the primary node, that the entire VDOM will fail over to the secondary. And I wanted to put that to the test, so I came home and I labbed up multi-vdom mode on a pair of 60F firewalls. I've got the FortiSwitch, so I'm running FortiLink, and I've got the firewalls in high availability over here. So if you look at the interface, I only have B populated. A and B are the FortiLink pairs on the 60Fs. And we'll go down to system. Oh, we've got to be in global. Global, system, HA. And then you notice that they are in virtual clustering. So the root is on the primary node as a master, and then the test VDOM is on the secondary node as the master. So we're going to flip over to the switch just to show its configuration. So down here at the bottom, we've got the two B ports from each node in the FortiLink. And then we have the Xbox on port 18. It's on the media VLAN. And then my laptop, I plugged into port 13 on the management VLAN. So we're going to set up a continuous ping to Google. And then I'm going to start a video on my Xbox. Then I'm going to cut port B from the primary firewall to see if it will fail over the VDOM. And it looks like it did not automatically fail over. So if I refresh this page, I'm going to lose my connection because I'm on the management VLAN. So I need to switch my physical link over to port 1, which is the backup management interface on the firewall, so that I can get the GUI back and verify that the VDOM did not fail over. So we'll speed through this and get logged back into the firewall and confirm that in fact the primary did not fail over to the secondary node for the root VDOM. If you notice up here, port B is disconnected on the primary node. And there was no failover to take effect. All right, so now that we showed that it isn't a thing in active-passive mode, I want to switch it over to active-active mode. And I'm going to go ahead and skip past where the HA synchronizes and we enable session pickup and everything, and just get to the ping test. So this is still with one physical interface. We're going to start a ping to 8.8.8.8, and then we are going to pull the B interface. And what we see is that even in active-active, it is not handing that session over. So now I'm going to reconnect the A and B interfaces on both firewalls. And I'm going to try and do this ping again. And I'm going to pull one interface out at a time. So there's a short blip where we pulled the B interface, it failed over to A. Plug B back in. Now we'll do that to A. A brief blip, and then it cuts back over. And then if the physical firewall died, it would fail over to the secondary node for full redundancy.